Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to read WhatsApp messages from another phone. Let's get started. You can read WhatsApp messages from another phone only if the same WhatsApp account is already active on both devices. When both devices are signed into the same account, the chat sync, so messages you receive on one device will appear on the other. To link legitimate on your primary phone, open WhatsApp, then settings, then go to link devices, then link a device, then scan the QR code shown on the other device or use WhatsApp desktop or web. Only do this for your account or with the device owner's clear permission. Accessing someone else's account without consent is illegal and a privacy violation. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.